Data visualization, top benefits and tools.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Representation of big data in a pictorial or graphical format with an attempt to help readers understand the information better is termed data visualization. This modern form of visual communication enhances the chances of readers perceiving important data quickly and effectively. It focuses on the fact that details like statistics, trends, and correlations are often overlooked by the readers. However, such information holds great potential and brings benefits when analyzed carefully. With it, the display of information becomes easy and less complicated, focusing majorly on vital information. Emergence of data visualization. Over the years, data visualization has evolved immensely and made major contributions to the concepts of information analysis. Although the transformation was gradual and points back to wall drawings from ancient times as its inception, technically, it emerged in the second half of the 20th century. It was Jacques Burton who introduces quantitative graphs as a means of representing data effectively. Later, this concept was elevated and taken to the next level with the contributions of John Turkey and Edward Tufte. It evolved into a worldwide practice with the involvement of technical aspects and software. It made a huge impact on the world of statistics and offered a wide range of benefits to users. Data visualization tools and techniques. Coming to the usage and application, we bring you a quick list of the most popular tools and techniques in data. Data visualization tools. Tableau. Aiming for individual use and a better understanding of data, Tableau is certainly the most popular data visualization tool used worldwide. It is used to create visualizations using dashboards and workbooks. Tableau focuses primarily on helping the user understand the presented data easily. This business intelligence data tool is a must-have. Data Wrapper. Popular in media organizations, Data Wrapper is one of the simplest, easy-to-use data tools. It is used to create basic interactive charts by uploading CSV data. Within minutes, the charts encompassing uploaded information are ready for use. The layout is clear and concise, which helps a reader understand the data easily. Fusion Charts. Fusion charts are a go-to tool for developers. It allows individuals to simplify complex data in order to make the most out of it. It offers JavaScript charts of about 95 plus varieties and about 1500 maps for web and mobile apps. Plotly. Plotly is one of the most user-friendly data tools. It allows APIs such as Salesforce and contains open-source visualization libraries of MATLAB, R, JavaScript, and Python. It is a versatile data tool that offers statistical tools and options like online graphing for a better visual experience. Benefits of data visualization tools. To understand how beneficial data visualization tools are, one needs to first understand the extent, severity, and complexity of issues that arose due to big data. With every passing moment, data is being generated at a rapid pace. Storing this data is complex yet essential. The insights and conclusions derived from these huge chunks of data sets are invaluable to several businesses. Hence, it plays a pivotal role in analyzing this data and helping the reader understand it better. Listed below are the top benefits. Times quick access to crucial business insights. Times a better understanding of the relationship between performance and operations. Times faster to process when compared to text form of data. Times avoids missing out on information data. Times helps in identifying patterns and trends. Times accurate customer behavior analysis. Times steady growth in business can be maintained by using the tools and keeping track of the data available. Times a better comprehension of data. Times can use data to depict a story effectively. Times helps the audience perceive the information faster and better. Times a great asset for visual learners. Times customized data visualization. Times increases in productivity and sales.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.